Hi, I'm Kevin Evans with Amiad Water Systems. Today we're going to show you how to operate the Mini Sigma filter and start it up properly. Alright, for your first time starting the Mini Sigma filter up, what we want to do is get the inlet and just slowly fill the filter up a little bit. As it fills up, it will want to flush until the pressure gets up enough and it seals up. So there's that little bit of flush. Now we just turn that on. And also on the downstream side as well, slowly open this up and fill the main line. The most important thing that you want to do here is to make sure that you keep back pressure on the system. This filter will see the pressure differential and it will want to flush. If you keep that back pressure on, that's what we want. So go ahead, we've filled this main line up. The next step would be on the DP controller. We've got 4 AA batteries that go into this. So you want to put all the batteries in, and sometimes what we want to do, a little tip, is if the batteries are brand new, sometimes you want to roll them inside of this. Keep them nice and tight down. When you put this cover back on, it's very important that you put it into a lock position. So when you put the cover on, slide it over, it will actually snap into place and that will be locked. So now we've got the controller ready to go. Another thing that happens as well is there's a little bit of air that can be stuck in this. I found the best way to get the air out is to have the piston work up and down a little bit. So the way we do that is be able to take this off, and you'll see that the water will spray out of the piston for just a little bit and it will stop. Our pressure's on this one, and we're going to do this about 3 times. And the piston's going to come back down now and stop. We're going to do this 2 more. Every time we do that, it's going to let all the water and air get out, and it will function a lot better. 1 more time. You know that your piston's traveling well because it comes up and it actually stops there. And every time you put it back, you can actually hear it come back as well. So once that happens, then we wanted to initiate a manual flush with the controller. The manual flush on the DP controller is very simple. There is a button on the middle here that you just hold down for just a few seconds. There is a delay in there. It takes it a minute to just a couple seconds before it picks it up. And that will initiate your flush. And that is how it will sound when it's flushing. It's about a 10-second cycle, and when it's finished its cycle, this air vacuum breaker right here will release the air out of the exhaust line, and as it does so, allows the water to go out, so there's no water hammer. Great feature on the Mini Sigma filter. So we're going to initiate another flush. Just make sure. Now listen to how it sounds. And that's your flush, and it's all ready to go. Thanks for watching our video on how to start up the Mini Sigma filter. Please visit our website, amiadusa.com, and please follow us on YouTube, LinkedIn, and Facebook.
Perfect.